So this is really easy and really delicious. We're making a chicken, black-eyed pea, tomato, garlicky, flavoursome, spicy stew. Really, really easy and lovely, this one. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what we have here is 1 kg or 2.2 pound of chicken. The skin is on, the bone is in. It's chopped, mixed parts of chicken, like, a whole chicken. 1 can of tomatoes. That's when I say 1 can, I mean a kind of 400 ml regular size can. Squashed that with my hand, it was whole. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then we've got 2 teaspoons each of these 4. Paprika, chili, oregano, and cumin. Now with the paprika usually comes in 3 types. Smoked, fantastic, super delicious. Sweet, that's that. Or hot. Hot is basically, you'll be putting 2 amounts of chili in, so don't go for the hot one unless you just want really, really spicy dish here. Our okra, I've just top and tailed that and then just cut it into those pieces. You can make it bigger if you want. There's 2 cups there, and then 2 cups of black-eyed peas. Now the black-eyed peas I've got from a can. If you're going to use from a can like me, wash them nicely in some cold water. That's it. We're going to start us off with a bit of olive oil. So you're going to need a pot or a kind of skillety big wok thing like I've got here. I've got olive oil there, and I've got about 3 tablespoons. Here's our chicken. We're going to drop that in. Now, just put the heat on. It's on above medium heat, and you can see I've cut the chicken into pieces like this. You can cut it larger if you like. Very simply, I'm just going to add some black pepper here, and some salt I'm going to chuck in as well here. And we're just going to get this on the go for about 6 minutes, stir frying it around in the pan, and then we'll start adding some other ingredients. But yeah, just want to get the chicken, a little bit of colour on it and a head start. Okay, so this chicken obviously is not cooked all the way through, but we've got a little bit of colour on it. We're now going to go with 1 cup of onion. I'm using red and I sliced that, and a tablespoon of chopped garlic. 4 more minutes, keep it moving pretty much all of the time now. Look at that garlic, fantastic. Fabulous stuff. We're now going to grab our okra or bindi or lady's fingers, whatever you call that. In it goes, as does the black-eyed peas. Now I'm using black-eyed peas here, but you could use a different bean if you want, like a red kidney bean, a white bean, something like that, a cannellini bean. Now, 2 teaspoons each. Let's just have another look. Sweet paprika or smoked will be fantastic. Chili, I'm using a Kashmiri chili if anyone's interested in that. Oregano and cumin powder, in it goes. Okay, just about 3 minutes now, stirring all the time, giving it a nice mix. Then we're ready for our tomatoes. Okay, 1 can of tomatoes. Like I say, this was a whole plum tomato, and what I've done, just crushed it down. So we're going to drop the heat down now to a nice low, not simmer, but just above a simmer. And we're going to let this go for 6 or 7 minutes. We've got ourselves a fantastic chicken stew there, really good. I am super happy with that. Off goes the heat. Check that for salt and pepper. Perfect for me. Let me get that on a plate for you. So that is really fabulous, maybe just with some plain white rice. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, everyone. Do the subscribe thing and all that stuff, will you? Leave us a comment if you like, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.